Yo, good morning, good morning. It's Mr. C in the house. What's going on, everybody? Hey, Jeremiah, what's going on? How was your weekend? Good morning, class, as you guys start to come in. Good morning. Hey, Trinity, Ava, what's going on? What's cracking? Kristen, what's going on? Had a bad weekend, huh? If you want to email me, Jeremiah, that's fine. Thanks, Gabby. I appreciate that coming from you. Gavin, here. I see a lot of people that hustled their parents this past couple of weeks with the homework and stuff. Almost done with math. For the week already? Hey Isaiah. Wow, that's crazy. I know you're nice, Gabby. I know. No matter what Gavin says about you, I know you're nice. You almost broke your arm. Dang. I got my landscapers outside cutting grass right now. It's crazy. All right, so we got about 10 people in here, so you guys can go ahead and stand up for the flag salute behind me here. All right. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready? Thank you. You may be seated. Check it out, Isaiah. Got my picture up. Got my picture up. You did 8 hours of landscaping, Gabby? That's child labor laws, man. That's rough stuff. Pearson, that was due on Friday. I left it open even though Friday was a day off. And then Galileo, the test was due on Thursday by midnight, and the bell work was due Wednesday by midnight. So I had made those adjustments accordingly in the videos. Okay. You guys need to watch these videos every single day if you don't know what's going on. And then you guys are emailing me over the weekend saying, Mr. C, I can't get into Galileo. Listen, it's too late by then. Galileo is due during the week. It's not due on the weekend. All right. Um, in my first block, half the class didn't do the test. Second and third block, probably maybe 66% of you guys did it. So I left like a third of you guys that did not do it. Okay. So that's out of control. That is not acceptable at all. For those of you that did your work, thank you very much. Okay. So this week we're going to be starting the new unit. It's going to be starting into unit number 5, which thank goodness. So unit 5 is pretty cool. I've already read through some of the stories in there. They got some pretty good stories in there that I think you guys are going to like. Let's see. So the Unit 5 introduction, I'll go ahead and tell you guys what it's going to be about. I think overall, though, I think you guys did pretty good. So on the good job on like closing out Unit 4 of Pearson, it was on people on the planet and with the essential a question of basic necessities that we need to survive, like air, water, and soil and things like that to grow food. But it's not just that one-way relationship where we're always using. People's actions also have an impact on the environment. So we depend on the earth and it depends on us. So we need to make sure that we get that balance right when it's going to be a lifetime challenge for you guys to make sure you guys get that balance right. In the new unit, Unit 5, we're going to be going over things like adversity. So you'll be learning about different hardships and why bad things happen, and then how people have. So we're going to be going over a series of different texts and different media, and then you guys are going to formulate responses to the essential question of how do we overcome obstacles? And some of you guys have gone through that. In the first assignment, it's a quick 4-minute video, and then you're going to answer the discuss it question. And then the obstacles that are too difficult to overcome, are there some that are out there? And then the first story is called Dust Bowl. It's a 45-second audio, and then it's going to be a 7-minute video that you guys get to watch. And the work is going to be required from that video. And then under the making meaning section, you're going to need to read comparing media to the text, and that discusses a future assignment that relates to the story Grapes of Wrath, and then how it's going to compare to a video and then the novel. And then we're going to get under the making meaning section, where you will go and do the comp checks, questions 1 through 4, the research question, analyze the media 1 through 3. Question 2 talks about first person accounts. So that 9/11, that's a first person account. And then the second question is going to be a voiceover, where it's somebody talking over the situation. So that's an example of a voiceover. And then under the language development section, you'll be doing the media vocabulary numbers 1 through 3, and then the evidence log. Do not hit the turn-in button. I don't know how many times I got to tell you guys that, like a billion times. Don't hit it. Don't even touch it. Let it sit on your screen that you didn't do the work. And then Galileo, we have week 33. That's going to be due Thursday by midnight. And then on Friday, you'll do Bell Work 33 test, and that's due by Friday by midnight. All right. So now to last week's work. Like I said, 75% of the class did not do the Bell Work test. That's more like 50%. So you guys need to check in with me on Pearson on Monday, read the discussion, and I put all the information in there, okay? That's where all the work's located at. You guys need to do those sections and see to it that it's all turned in when it's due, okay? Let's see. We're going to see if you guys can hear me and see me. Unable to chat. Ugh. All right. Can you guys hear me right now? Can someone type something in, or can someone text message me? If someone can message me at 602 698 5136. 602 698 5136. If somebody can text message me right now and tell me that they can hear me, I'll keep talking. If not, I'll have to post a video of the work, and then you guys will just watch a non-live video, and you guys will just watch a post instead. Okay, cool. Good deal. Okay, so you guys can hear me. All right, cool, guys. So the story in Pearson this week, it was Bethany Hamilton, where she was surfing and the sharks got her. So that's going to be the first story, and that's just to listen to it and then write about under the discuss it. It's going to say, hey, what is a story that is something that you just cannot get over? And although she was under a lot of adversity, she's still surfing and stuff. And she's doing all kinds of crazy stuff. I even think she's like a model too. So it's pretty cool, you know. And then we're going to get into our first story called the Dust Bowl. And with the Dust Bowl, there's a lot of small work that's required of it, okay? The work that's required through the we're going to read, or we're going to listen to the story. It's about a 45-second audio that's going to give you a brief synopsis of the story. And then we're going to do the story itself. It's a 7-minute video, and it's old school. It's one of the old videos. I remember watching it when I was your guys' age, actually. So it's pretty cool, okay? And then under Making Meaning, you're going to go into the Making Meaning section, and you're going to just read comparing media to the text. You're just going to read about it. And what that's going to do, it's going to give you a heads up on what's coming with the story Grapes of Wrath. And it's going to talk about Scrooge and like what we did before, okay? So it's just to read. It's a very small instruction, maybe like 10 seconds. Then you're going to go under making meaning and you're going to do the comp check. Comp checks numbers 1 through 4. You're going to do the one question under the research, and then you're going to analyze the media. That's 3 questions, okay? Question number 2, it asks that you answer the question under the first person account. A first person account is someone who was there. They're a witness to it, a witness to something that had happened. Some of you guys have first person accounts to events, okay? I have first person accounts to event video about 9/11, and then you're watching the screen, but I'm talking in the background, and then you guys are listening to it, okay? That's voiceover, okay? And then you're going to move on to the language development section, and from that point there, you're going to do media vocabulary, sections 1 through 3, and then finally, you'll do the evidence log. Do not hit the turn-in button at all. Do not hit the turn-in button, okay? You're going to do the bell work. That's under Galileo. That's week 33 bell work. It's already there right now. It's loaded, and that's loaded, and it's already ready to go. And that'll open up, and then you guys will take that test by Friday by midnight. So everything will be done, okay? So a lot of you guys are hustling your parents. Listen, do not use Internet Explorer or Firefox to log on. Use Chrome. Make sure you use Chrome to log into Pearson and Galileo, all right? So a lot of you guys are having problems by using the wrong browser. Use Chrome to get in. And then make sure you guys are turning in your work. Stop hustling your parents. Stop telling them that you don't have anything to do or that you still have not logged in. So I'm going to be hunting them down today. And if you know who they are because they're bragging to you guys about it, tell them I'm looking for them and I'm going to find them. All right, and I'm not giving any names. And that's all we have for this week, guys. I know you guys have some work to do with some of the other teachers, and I think you guys, I'm not sure how many videos are out there that you guys have to do, but that's the test. All right. If you go into Pearson, you're going to see under your reading and literature section, you're going to see the work that's due. It's under the discussion post. And under that discussion post, it has an outline of all the work, when it's due, and how to do it. Okay. So there's no excuse, guys. You got to do your work. All right. Since there's no way that we can chat right now, the chat box looks like it's shut down. You guys can email me, or you guys can go ahead and text message me. If it's more than 3 sentences, do not text message me. Call me the old school way. Pick up your phone, dial my number, and call me. All right. And that's going to be about it. Since I can't chat with you guys, we're going to go ahead and cut it short. You guys have all of the instructions of what to do. It's in Pearson. There's no reason why you guys can't get this work done in a day. It's literally like an hour's worth of work. A 7-minute video and like 30 minutes of work. All right. If you guys have any questions, email me, text message me, call me. There's all kinds of ways. All right. Don't Facebook me. Don't Instagram me. All right. You can't do that. Let's see what else. And I think that's it. Gabby, don't work too hard. Jeremiah, I'm glad you didn't break your arm. Okay. Ava, I'm glad you're almost done with math. I miss you. Gavin, don't mess with Gabby. Gabby, don't mess with Gavin. Christian, tell your brother I said hello. Isaiah, thank you for my Eagles picture. I look at it every day. Jasmine, I miss you. What's up, kid? Parker, how was the river? Hopefully you guys everything was okay. Other than that, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I might put on another post later on in the day just to get back on live and then see if there's any questions from the work. All right. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.